I think most of us are towards the end of the journey of discovering what the challenges are. Most AgTechs or entire sector knows what the problems are, what farmers' problems are, what seed company issues are, and are already developing solutions towards those problems. Now, there's, however, gaps in how those solutions are delivered to various stakeholders, including smallholder farmers. And therefore, I feel where we are right now is fine-tuning those solutions to prepare them in a way that they can serve the masses in a scalable way. Yeah, so investment goes hand in hand with scale. I mean, because whenever you're doing volumes, then it goes without saying that you're definitely increasing revenues on the other side. And any investors want to see revenue growth in whatever they're putting money into, of course, looking into their return on investment. And therefore then, to scale, you need emerging or even existing legacy technologies to scale solutions that are coming up. So for example, a while back we had blockchain that was bringing in trust among farmers and also let me say, solution providers. And now we have AI. That's a very, very good tool that can be used to scale solutions. And I'll give an example in our case, where we have over 20,000 farmers consuming various variety of seeds. We currently do it, we've semi-automated, but AI can spur a lot of growth in how we do these things, meaning we can easily reach over 100,000 farmers. And if we're able to do that using AI, then of course we automatically attract investments because of that kind of quick growth. Without such emerging technologies, growth is there, but it is very, very slow and definitely therefore inhibits attraction or the appetite of investors into AgTechs. Yeah, I would approach it from a data perspective, that a lot of players in the AgTech ecosystem are holding data that is crucial to other stakeholders for growth. So for example, you'll find the telco ecosystem has very crucial data. On the other side, agronomic stakeholders also have crucial data. Manufacturing sector has crucial data on various input varieties or inputs. And therefore, there is need for opening this data, let me call them data silos, in a way that a platform can be created or a forum that can create a plug-and-play ecosystem for all of these players to come in, leverage from this existing data. Of course, our biggest challenge has been, number one, leveraging on data we have. Number one, because data technology is new, and of course then becoming very expensive for startups like us who are just getting started. Also leveraging on this new technology such as AI engineers are also very, very costly. Then also unavailability of these technologies in this side of the world. While it's coming, although it's coming, it's very, very slow and not very easy to access for most startups. But we also have working in silos where we cannot access forums like this. Forums like AIL need to happen a lot more frequent and with a lot more people to help us meet people who we can collaborate with. Also learn from others who are doing this, the kind of things that we're doing, because everything we're doing has been done before by somebody else. It's important that we meet people who are who have done this before. Yeah, so we haven't yet integrated, but we are in that journey. The first step we have done is aggregating the data we have. So we have GPS data of the farmers we serve. We know where they are. We know the kind of inputs that they need. We also know, their income or economic state, and therefore we want to integrate that data to then use it to, build AI tools that can assist us to develop, to serve them better, ensure that they get access to our services faster and more effectively, but most importantly, in a very affordable manner for them. Because for farmers, the most important thing is that these products and services are affordable. I'd say for us, the biggest one, as I did say in the beginning, that we heavily rely on mobile money as a payment tool for farmers, which is very, very expensive. If that was made easier, then a lot more farmers will be able to purchase or access AgTech services, both whether we're talking about extension services, inputs or services that they need. The transactional charges make it a lot more harder for farmers to access services. So any policy that goes into reduction of transactional charges on mobile money definitely go a long way in making the services more accessible and affordable. I would say everybody thinks that resilience and adaptation is easy, but at Seed Sasa we say it is there, but it is costly, and farmers cannot afford it. And a lot needs to go into making the tools affordable.